So friends, today I want to share something very important with all of you. This time I am going to vote for the first time. So the thing is, the people who are involved in politics keep telling me whenever they see me that don't waste your first vote, vote for this particular candidate, etc. etc. If you love Zubeen Garg, then vote for this candidate. Otherwise, he will not get justice, etc. So the thing is, when a people turn 18, he is considered capable of thinking what is right and what is wrong. So, and that's exactly why we are capable to vote. I am not here to speak on behalf of any kind of political party. But the thing is, I want to say, please don't use Zubeen Garg for your political gain. We love Zubeen Garg. We love Zubeen Garg. But that love is not proven by voting any political party or leader. Thank you.